Oslo. Oslo is a fantastic tourist destination with a unique blend of rich history, stunning natural beauty, and vibrant cultural offerings. Oslo has a lot to offer. Here are some things you can do in the Norwegian capital. Number 1. Visit the Viking Ship Museum, explore well-preserved Viking ships and artifacts, giving you a glimpse into Norway's rich maritime history. Number 2. Explore the Royal Palace, take a stroll through Slottsparken, the Palace Park, and admire the Royal Palace. You might even catch the changing of the guard. Number 3. To Holmenkollen Ski Museum and Jump Tower, experience Norway's winter sports history and enjoy panoramic views of Oslo from the top of the ski jump tower. Number 4. Wander around Vigeland Park, home to over 200 sculptures by Gustav Vigeland. This park is a beautiful and unique outdoor art gallery. Number 5. Visit the Munch Museum, see the famous painting The Scream and other works by Edvard Munch, one of Norway's most celebrated artists. Number 6. Take a stroll along Akerbrei. This waterfront district offers shops, restaurants, and a lively atmosphere. It's a great place to relax and people watch. Number 7. Explore the Oslo Opera House. Even if you're not catching a performance, the stunning architecture of the Opera House is worth a visit. You can walk on the roof for fantastic views of the city. Number 8. Discover the National Gallery. Admire works by Norwegian and international artists, including paintings by Edvard Munch and other prominent figures. Number 9. Visit the Frand Museum, learn about polar exploration and see the famous ship Fram, which was used in expeditions to the Arctic and Antarctic. Number 10. Try Norwegian cuisine, indulge in traditional Norwegian dishes like rakfisk, fermented fish, lutefisk, dried fish, or some delicious seafood. Don't forget to try a Norwegian waffle. Remember, Oslo is a city that beautifully combines history, art, and nature, so you're sure to find activities that suit your interests. Best time to visit Oslo. ChatGPT. The best time to visit Oslo depends on your preferences and the type of activities you enjoy. Here are some considerations for different seasons. Number 1. Summer, which is from June to August. This is the most popular time to visit Oslo. The weather is generally mild, and you can enjoy longer days with more sunlight. Summer is perfect for outdoor activities, festivals, and exploring the city's parks and waterfront. Number 2. Spring, which is from May to June. Spring is a lovely time to visit as the city starts to bloom with flowers, and the temperatures become more pleasant. It's a great time for walking tours, and you can catch the beauty of spring in places like Vigeland Park. Number 3. Autumn, which is from September to October. Fall brings cooler temperatures, and the foliage in and around Oslo is stunning. If you enjoy colorful scenery and fewer crowds, autumn might be a good choice. Number 4. Winter, which is from December to February. If you're a fan of winter sports or want to experience a winter wonderland, visiting Oslo in winter could be ideal. The city is well prepared for snow, and you can engage in activities like skiing, ice skating, and exploring festive markets. Keep in mind that winter days are shorter, and temperatures can drop significantly. If you're specifically interested in witnessing the Northern Lights, you might want to consider traveling to northern Norway during the winter months. Ultimately, the best time to visit Oslo depends on your interests and what kind of experience you're looking for. Whether you prefer the vibrant energy of summer or the serene beauty of winter, Oslo has something to offer year-round.